wanted to make a video tonight to pray for those that were affected by Hurricane Florence. I live in Houston, Texas. Last year we experienced a similar thing with Hurricane Harvey. So we know how it feels to be hit. I mean, I think we got hit by the flooding was so, we got hit, I think it was around 40 or 50 inches of water constantly. The storm just stood there and didn't move much. But I just want to pray for those people that were affected. And just have all my friends on here and subscribers that are watching this video clip, to, if you're a firm believer of God and you like to pray for those. Not just pray for the people that were affected in Florence, but they also, the Philippines, they were hit by a big typhoon that was almost twice the size of Florence. I haven't been keeping up with that, but the Philippines, typhoons are usually more powerful than hurricanes, because I would assume, maybe y'all can leave comments down below, why that a typhoon has more room to create a larger density, a larger size, because the Pacific Ocean is much bigger than the Atlantic Ocean. Maybe that's the reason why, I don't know. I remember the first time in 1983, I was 11, 12 years old, I experienced my first hurricane. That was Hurricane Alicia. In 1983, I lived in Houston. But, yeah, that was pretty bad. The hurricane was so close to us. Well, when the hurricane went ashore, it was about 120, 130 mile an hour winds. It was a Category 3, almost a Category 4. But it was so close to our house that we experienced for the first time what it was like to be in the center of the eye of the hurricane. And that is quite an all of a sudden you'll be hit by 80, 90 mile, 100 mile an hour winds, and all of a sudden nothing. Just as quiet as can be, nothing. That's what it's like to go through the island. It'll last anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. I don't know exactly, but I think it was about 30, 45 minutes. But by the time that was over with, it was all back to the hurricane. In conclusion, I want to lift up those that were affected by Florence, and also our Filipino brothers that were affected by these horrible storms, to everything to go well, and for everybody to get their electricity back. I know how it's like to get my electricity. I had my electricity knocked out for over a week. It's a pain in the butt, but God bless them. God bless America, and she shall protect all those that are within its borders. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and have a wonderful night. Okay? Well, that's it. Bye-bye. God bless you.